What we do here is go back.
Christian leaders learn here.
Hello, we are here at the Kinder Circus right now. This is a little gymnasium where it's set up. Are you ready for the Kinder Circus?
Yes.
Who are you in the show?
Monkey.
What are you most excited for in the show?
My parents are gonna watch.
Are they excited to see you?
Yes. I wish I was still on the bus because I want to go somewhere else. I wish this circus was farther than this bus.
Are you excited for the Kinder Circus?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
For the clowns, because one's gonna jump out the barrel and Mrs. Starnes is gonna be where did the third or fourth one went.
What are you in the circus?
An acrobat.
High five. Oh, y'all are gonna do so good. Good job. Oh, you got a good interview, boy. How do you feel about Kinder Circus today?
I think it's gonna be good.
Do you think you could walk the tightrope?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe, you don't know? Nice. If you had a magic trick, what would you make disappear?
Anything. My brother.
Your brother? Favorite part about the Kinder Circus?
I like the bear part and the monkeys. It's really
do?
cool. Yeah.
Nice. All right. Can y'all say circus really loud? Circus! Strong men or acrobats?
Strong men.
Strong men?
Yes, sir.
You think acrobats?
Yes.
Strong men.
Strong men.
Strong men or
Strong men.
Strong men or acrobats?
Strong man. Strong men or lions?
Oh, that's a hard. Lions.
Lions.
For sure. Lions.
Strong men or lions?
Lions. Oh, you guys know what's up. Lions, all the way. If you could do one magic trick, what would you make disappear?
A
And it could be anything. You can make anything disappear.
magical unicorn.
Who are you here to see today?
We're here to see Keegan Janicek.
And what's the most exciting part about seeing them perform?
Well, we always love to because he's our grandson, and so he expects us to be here. He wanted to make sure he would see us Friday at the program, and it's just to watch him grow up and just be able to do different things.
Who are you here to support today?
Well, to everybody, but at Carson King mainly.
Aw, okay. What is the most exciting part about watching your kid perform in this?
Having them have fun.
Who are you here to support today?
Support Kyrie Gonzalez and the Circus of America.
What are you excited to see her perform today?
To see how good they perform and how acrobatic they could be.
This time. This her 19th year of Kinder Circus. This
the mastermind behind the whole program, and it has grown and grown and become such a wonderful event. We want to thank by having these students who were in the Kinder Circus. They're going to come in. Let's give a round of applause for Mrs. Starnes. These are high school, former kindergarten circus students.
Just as is in the Bible, who are we to underestimate the young? People here start businesses every single day. So now let's go to an interview with Liam Magana about his growing business, Outdoor Aid. I'm here with Liam James Magana. And what is your business and what do you do?
My business is called Outdoor Aid, and I do window cleaning.
What made you want to start your business?
Well, it started sophomore year, and I was like on Instagram Reels, and I saw these guys who were like window cleaning, and I thought that was really interesting, and I wanted to give it a shot, so I went ahead and gave it a shot.
How have you built your business from the ground up?
Well, I started off with a partner, and that kind of fizzled out, and I kind of took the reins of the business, but um, I started out learning how to sell, and that was pretty difficult. I was learning to go door to door, and I wasn't very good at the start. But after lots of practice, I continued to get better and started learning how to manage people. Also, learning how to clean windows was a big part of it, obviously. So, learning how to get more efficient, get better equipment, and get better at selling, that helped.
Is it hard juggling all your schoolwork while still owning your own business?
It could definitely be a challenge for sure. I feel like the way that my schedule lines up, though, I'm able to do a lot of my work during the weekends, which is really helpful. And maybe I can go out during like the weekdays that I don't have like practice or anything, and I can go selling then, and then I'll go work the jobs during the weekend, and that really helps out a lot.
Is this a future full-time career for you?
Well, I hope it could be. I am gonna be a firefighter, so with that, I have like a schedule that allows me to run something on the side. So hopefully, I can grow this business and it can turn into something that I can be doing full time alongside firefighting.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Go support Liam Magana at Outdoor Aid on Instagram and get your windows cleaned today. For nearly 2 decades, one familiar face has helped shape the elementary halls here at New Braunfels Christian Academy. After 19 years of dedication, leadership, and care for students, Miss Starnes is retiring. Miss Starnes has served as the elementary vice principal, where she became known for encouraging students, supporting teachers, and building relationships with families across the campus. This year's Kinder Circus marks Mrs. Starnes' final one before retirement, with many former students returning to visit her, showing the lasting impact she's had over the years. We asked Miss Starnes to share her favorite moments and reflect on her final Kinder Circus.
Today I'm here with,
Mrs. Starnes.
and so this is your last Kinder Circus, right?
Yes, it is.
So what are you feeling right now?
Oh my goodness, I feel bittersweet. I feel so much joy for being able to do this for 19 years, but also so sad because it's my last one.
So are you gonna ever like come and see the Kinder Circus in like next coming years?
Absolutely, I can't keep away. I have to come back and watch them every year. And the kindergarten kids that I had when I was teaching kindergarten, they will always be Kinder Circus kids to me. I will always picture them that way. So yes.
So what is your favorite part about hosting the Kinder Circus each year?
What I love about it is everybody comes together and works so hard to make it one. Like we're talking about community, it is a community that comes together to pull together to all the things, all the people, and just make it such a huge event, but mostly a thing that honors Jesus. And that was our heart, is to honor Jesus in this, so that if somebody's lost, they come here, they don't know Jesus, they would leave the circus and know Jesus.
Her impact goes far beyond the classroom. Through her leadership as elementary vice principal, she has helped create a place where students feel encouraged, supported, and known. And while it's hard to imagine MBCA without her, her legacy will continue through the countless students, teachers, and families she's influenced over the years. Thank you, Miss Starnes, for an incredible 19 years.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
That's all for today. From the Kinder Circus to Mrs. Starnes' retirement and student entrepreneur Liam Magana's window washing business. Stay real, stay wild. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next segment.